Do you love to dance? Do you dream of turning your passion into profit? You can. Get ready to combine your love for dance with your entrepreneurial spirit. It's time to create your own dance workout and get paid for it. The fitness industry is booming, and there's never been a better time to share your unique style. People are looking for fun, effective ways to stay in shape. Dance workouts are the perfect solution. They're high energy, engaging, and a great way to burn calories. Get ready to step into the spotlight and become a dance fitness entrepreneur. You'll be your own boss, set your own hours, and inspire others to move their bodies. Plus, you'll have the satisfaction of creating something truly special. Are you ready to get started? Subscribe and follow for more dance workout tips and inspiration. Creating your own dance workout is an exciting journey. It's time to unleash your inner choreographer and let your creativity shine. Think about what kind of dance style you want to teach. Do you love the high-energy beats of hip-hop? Or maybe you prefer the graceful movements of ballet? Once you've chosen your style, it's time to start creating your routines. Remember to keep your audience in mind. Are you targeting beginners or experienced dancers? What are their fitness goals? Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun. The most important thing is to create a workout that you're passionate about. Think about what makes your dance style unique. What moves can you teach that will get people excited? What music will get their hearts pumping? Let your personality shine through in every step. The fitness world is full of amazing instructors. How will you stand out? The key is to be authentically you. What makes you different? What's your story? Share your passion and personality with the world. Think about your target audience. Who are you trying to reach? Once you know who you're talking to, you can tailor your message to resonate with them. Use your unique voice and style to connect with your audience on a personal level. Don't be afraid to be bold and think outside the box. Offer something new and exciting that people haven't seen before. Be confident, be yourself, and let your passion shine through. Make it your own. Section 5. Social media. Your stage for success. Social media is your best friend when it comes to promoting your dance workout. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube are perfect for sharing snippets of your routines, behind-the-scenes content, and testimonials from your clients. Create high-quality videos that showcase your personality and your workout. Use catchy music, bright colors, and engaging captions. Interact with your followers, respond to comments, and build a community around your brand. Consider offering online classes or workshops to reach a wider audience. You can also create and sell digital products like workout guides, meal plans, or even branded merchandise. The possibilities are endless. Section 6. Finding inspiration, a dancer's success story. Meet Anna, a dance enthusiast who turned her passion into a thriving business. Anna started by sharing short dance routines on Instagram. Her infectious energy and creative choreography quickly gained a loyal following. As her audience grew, Anna started offering online dance classes and workshops. She created a website and social media pages to promote her brand. Today, Anna is a successful dance fitness entrepreneur with a global community of followers. Anna's story is proof that with passion, hard work, and a sprinkle of creativity, you too can turn your love for dance into a fulfilling and profitable career. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and dance your way to success.